Yeah, what's going on? So in this video, we're gonna be actually showing you guys how to install this Thule cargo box. It's a rooftop cargo box that can be put on basically any vehicle that has roof rails and a crossbars on top. So this is currently it's sitting on my camper shell, and we're gonna be putting this cargo box onto this Mazda CX-9. So to begin, you're gonna have to open it, and yeah, you just gotta insert the key and open it. And as you can see, the inside, it's a decent size actually. This is I want to say this is large, if not extra large. Yeah, it is XL. So let's see. Oh, right there. So this is an XL model. So it's pretty large. We've been using it for a couple of years now, and it never actually let us down. Um, it's weatherproof. It's sturdy. We drove it in the snow, sun, rain, you name it, and it never actually let us down. So, and what's cool about this one is that it's got straps on both sides. So basically, you can open it from both sides. However, you can only open it from one side at a time. So when you have, let's say, the right side open right now, you cannot open from the left, and then vice versa. So it's going to be same thing on the other side. You're going to have to close this side in order to open the other side. But anyway, like I said, it does have straps. And then what makes it easy is that whenever you have it already on top of your vehicle and you open it, and when it opens up, it's going to be pretty high up. So if you can't reach it, you can just pull the straps and it'll close down. But anyway, as you can see, he just actually released the clamps. So now it's all released. So as you can see, it's loose right now. So we're going to be picking this up and installing it on top of that Mazda CX-9. All right, guys. So as you can see, we just put that on. So it's actually pretty easy to put it on. These clamps actually they do slide, so you can adjust them depending on the distance between your racks, crossbars, and you set it on top, and basically it's almost done. So now all we gotta do is make sure it's in the center, everything lined up, and you just close the clamps, lock them up, and that's basically it. And this is how it looks on top of the vehicle. And if you do have a shark fin antenna like this one, it still doesn't interfere. Actually, you can see from here, it does not touch it. So. Alrighty, so we just actually finished attaching one side. So here's from the inside. So you basically turn these knobs on all four corners to actually install them, to tighten those clamps. So this passenger side, driver's side, is actually tight now. So this is good to go, and as you can see, it won't go anywhere. And other side, it's still loose. So now we're gonna go around and then open the other side and then tighten them up. So now we're gonna open this side, just to demonstrate you guys that it actually, it does open from both sides. So you'll see now. When it's not completely actually tight, you kind of want to hold the bottom portion too. That way it makes it easier to open. Otherwise, it kind of, sits so tight that it may be a little difficult to open initially when it's not tight completely. And there you have it. So as you can see, it sits right in the middle. Then again, you not necessarily have to actually, you don't have to actually sit right in the center. If your vehicle is kind of wider or you just prefer, you know, accessing from one side, you can actually, you know, push it to sit it like a, you know, make it sit close to one side, either passenger or driver side. But you know, with our OCD, it's we always prefer to, you know, sit in the middle. Just kind of, I guess, looks a little better that way. But either way, it's just your personal preference. However, there you have it. I mean, this is how it looks on top of this Mazda CX-9. So, yep. So, and like I said, this is an XL model, so it's pretty large. You can fit a lot of stuff in there. We normally carry, whenever we travel with family, we normally carry all our luggage actually inside. Luggage is, you know, all the gear and everything on top of, you know, on top of the roof, basically inside that cargo box. And we leave, you know, our trunk area mainly empty for, you know, just kind of like to store some other things that we might need actually during the travel. But other than that, most of our gear actually stays on top. It's just out of way at the same time, and you know, we know it's safe and secure up there. But anyway, hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And we hope to catch you guys in the next videos. Have a good day. Bye.